Hi, I'm Allison Ashcraft, and the technology tool I chose was DegreeWorks. What is DegreeWorks? DegreeWorks is a web-based tool that helps students and advisors monitor a student's progress towards meeting graduation requirements. This program provides an organized, easy-to-understand way for students to know where they stand academically and determine how they can plan their courses. Students and advisors find this resource very useful because they can now see a student's progress more easily as compared to the previous method of filling out a paper plan of study. Benefits of DegreeWorks. This program is very beneficial to students so they can determine their academic progress, see where they stand educationally, and plan their future semesters based on what they have left to complete. DegreeWorks also shows students and advisors courses they've taken in the past, whether it be at that particular institution or as a transfer student. DegreeWorks also has the ability to pull a what-if audit. This shows students how their degree plan would look if they changed their major or if they added a minor. This program is useful to institutions in order to promote on-time graduation by showing students exactly what they need to complete in order to graduate. Mastery of professional standards. Not only does DegreeWorks help advisors, it also helps the registrar's office. Using this program helps when it's time to award degrees, which is what I do in my current position. By using DegreeWorks, the registrar's office can run a batch list of students who should be graduating within a certain semester, and if everything on their audit checks out, the program can automatically award their degree. Additionally, this program helps avoid any Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act (FERPA) violations. As student affairs professionals, we must live by these guidelines. This program makes it easy to tell a student how to check their DegreeWorks audit and verify their information instead of giving any personal information over the phone or by email. Positive examples of using DegreeWorks. Throughout the United States, colleges and universities are implementing DegreeWorks. In an article from the Albany Herald, Albany State University was recently spotlighted based on their recent use of DegreeWorks and how effective it has been for their students. At Tennessee State University, they are recently celebrating their 75th anniversary, and they began using DegreeWorks to promote the use of technology and boost the university into the 21st century. Additionally, based on an article from USA Today, students and faculty from the University of Texas at San Antonio got the chance to present the benefits of using DegreeWorks at a conference, as well as meet with other faculty members using the program and give feedback and tips. And lastly, my references.